Today we're here to ask one simple question. Can ChatGPT predict the price of Solana for the month of May? Let's find out. If you're new to the channel, we play a game with ChatGPT where we have it predict the price of a particular cryptocurrency each month. Then the following month we take a look, see if they were right or see if they were wrong. ChatGPT absolutely killed it last month when it came to the prediction game, basically landing all the prices except for one. And I'm interested to see if it can do it again with Solana. With that being said, let's get to the question. Hey ChatGPT, we're doing the guessing game again, and this time it is for Solana. We are guessing the price of Sol for May 2026. Right now Solana is sitting at around $84.50. Look back at Solana's historical performance in May since it first launched. Has May usually been a positive or negative month for Solana? Give me 3 guesses for May 2026. A bullish guess, a bearish guess, and an official guess. Keep the ranges tight with close, focused guesses. I want one exact price and a small range for each. No explanation needed, just hit me with the results. Alrighty, and we officially have our answer right here. As for are we normally negative or positive in May, it looks like it's mixed, so that's not really going to help with the guess too much. But let's get to the answer. The bullish guess, $96.80. Range $93 to $100. The bearish guess, $74.20. Range $72 to $77. And the official guess, this is the guess that matters. This is the guess that we do everything based off of. $86.10. Range $83.50 to $88.50. So there we have it, guys, the official guess for the month of May for Solana. Let me know what you guys think. Are you with the bullish guess, the bearish guess, the official guess? Are we somewhere else? Maybe at the end of May, $1, maybe $1,000? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm really interested to know what you guys think. But with that being said, hopefully you liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Take care, spike your hair, and I hope you have a blessed day. Peace.
Future's here, no turning back. Digital coins in a virtual pack. Decentralized, we'll take the ride. No more chains, we're wild inside. Bitcoin rising, walls